Caseflow makes it easy to instantly track live USCIS case statuses directly within your system using the USCIS Receipts Tracking app developed by Workiflow exclusively for Caseflow. Here's how it works. Go to the USCIS board and open the client's case. For example, John Doe's I-130. Click Open Item Page to view the case details. In the Item Page view, and select USCIS Receipts UI from the drop-down menu. Next, click Receipt in the USCIS Receipts UI. Enter the client's USCIS receipt number, then click Check Status. Wait a few seconds while the system retrieves the latest case status from USCIS. Once the receipt is added, it will automatically appear in the USCIS Receipts Tracking board linked to the client's case. The app will check for any status updates on a daily basis, and you and your team will receive notifications within Monday.com or by email if there are any changes. This feature gives your team a centralized, real-time view of all active cases, helping you stay informed and proactive. See yourself working faster with Caseflow? Click the link below to schedule your demo today. Thank you for watching.